How to send multiple photos in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up WhatsApp on a device. Now simply open up a chat. If you want to create a new chat, simply tap on the plus icon. Now select the contact. Now simply tap on the attach icon or simply tap on the camera icon. Then select gallery. Now give the permissions. Now tap on the photo. If you want to select multiple photos, simply tap on the multiple photos, then tap on send at the bottom right corner. Else if you want to save multiple photos from your gallery, go to your Photos application, then select multiple photos and tap on share. Now select WhatsApp, then select the contact and tap on send. Again tap on send and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.